station is Kings Langley.
Okay, next to leave Kings Langley will be the 12:05 London North Western Railway service from London Euston to Milton Keynes Central. And due behind us is Avanti West Coast from Euston to Piccadilly. I see it. And 261 to Milton Keynes via Tringling. It's hardly safe if you're telling people how to open the gate. Right, Central to slow 1 Alpha 32 Avanti West Coast service. 39131 City of Liverpool. 39131 City of Liverpool to Euston. Right, next to leave 12:33 London North Western Railway service from London Euston to Milton Keynes Central, full of 8 carriages. So they used to say here, before they changed it to a Voda. $3.52 for whatever that was. Visit Liverpool, $3.53.72 to Milton Keynes. Even though they're telling you to visit Liverpool. Oh, hello. 390, number 20. 390.20. Bye. 350 on the fast line. Right, here we go. We've got 354.06, 241 to Euston on the express train. Right, next for platform 2 is the 12:39 London North Western Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Euston. 353.74. 103 Pendolino 391.50 Crew all change at Crew to Manchester Piccadilly on Wood Hotel 67, and now on 4 is the 12:38 London North Western Railway service from Milton Keynes Central to London Euston. 350.107. Platform 4 for the 12:38 London North Western Railway service to London Euston, calling at Watford Junction, Bushey, Harrow Wealdstone and London Euston. This train has 8 coaches carriages. Right, after these go back to Milton Keynes. Good, no Chester services. Would be shut up Crew. GBRF from Hampshire to Felixstowe North. 4 Lima 13. Got 6673 Chinook. 623 to Felixstowe North. Now approaching is GBRF from Felixstowe to Hamshall. 66579 GP. Oh, that's short. 66759 Chippy to Hams Hall. Jimmy Winters off to Hams Hall with his 66. He's north to Hams Hall with his 69. Right, next through platform 3 is the 1301 Rail Operations Group service from New Cross Gate CSD to Widnes Transport Tech. 37611 378225. 378225 and 37611 lead to Widnes. God knows what they're going to do with that. But I must say, it's the fastest one of them have ever been. The 1305 London and the North Western Railway service from London Euston to Milton Keynes, the central station. 350 128. (351 to 8 267) and 247 to Milton Keynes Central via Tring. Look at the fucking lag. Look at the fucking lag on that. It's fucked. Pendolino 002 390 002 to London Euston. Bye guys. And we have another Pendolino. This might be the delayed one from Edinburgh. Don't know, my phone died. 39138 City of London. 391 City of London to London Euston. And now approaching is the 1312 London North Western Railway service to London Euston, calling at Futford Junction, Bushy, Harrow Wealdstone and London Euston. This train has 8 coaches, 353, 68, and there's another 8 car going over there, Cadbury World. Cadbury World is with 263! And it's full! Let's go, let's see what there is like. Fuck it, let's run.